At Negi Wilderness Education, we believe that hiking together, pitching a tent with new friends, and learning through moments in the wilderness lay the foundation of true leadership. The wilderness teaches us that greatness lies not in comfort, but in courage. Here we find resilience, learn poise and challenge, and uncover the quiet competence that defines real leadership. And with that newfound trust in yourself, you return home, inspired and empowered to act.